Good morning. Today we will start with the engine classification by cylinder arrangements. There are different types of cylinder arrangements. Uh, the first we will start with the inline engine. Inline engine. So as you can see, the inline engine is an engine with one cylinder bank. It means all cylinders are arranged linearly and transmit power to a single crankshaft. This type is used with automobile engines. 4 and 6 cylinder inline engines are popular in automotive applications. So as you can see here, all cylinders, whether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are arranged in line. The second type is U cylinder. So you can see here, these two cylinders are arranged in a U shape. These two cylinders are arranged in a U shape. The next type is V type. V type engine. You can see the two cylinders are arranged in V shape. They are connected to a single crankshaft. In this engine, there are two banks of cylinder. There are two banks of cylinder inclined at an angle to each other and with one crankshaft. Most of the high-powered automobile use 8-cylinder V engine, 4 inline on each side and 4 on the other side. Engines with more than 6 cylinder generally employ with this in configurations. If there are more than 6 cylinders, we will use 3 cylinder on this side, 3 cylinder on this side. They are connected to a single crankshaft. The next is opposed cylinder engine. This is opposed cylinder engine. This engine has two cylinders. You can see two cylinders, banks located on the same plane. Located on the same plane on opposite sides of the crankshaft. It can be visualized as two inline arrangements 180 apart. It is inherently a well-balanced engine and has the advantage of single crankshaft. This design is used in small aircrafts. Next is opposed piston engine. So this is opposed piston engine. You can see here, when a single cylinder houses two pistons, each of which driving a separate crankshaft, it is called an opposed piston engine. The movement of the pistons is synchronized by coupling the two crankshafts. Opposed piston arrangement like opposed cylinder arrangement and is well balanced. Further, there is a no cylinder head. By its inherent feature, this engine usually functions the principle of two-stroke engine. So this type of arrangement is used in two-stroke engine. The next is your radial engine. Radial engine is one where more than two cylinders in each row are equally spaced around the crankshaft. The radial arrangement of cylinders is most commonly used in conventional air-cooled aircraft engines where 3, 5, 7 or 9 cylinders may be used. As you can see, here 5 cylinders are arranged. The odd number of cylinders is employed from the point of view of balancing. Pistons of all cylinders are coupled to the same crankshaft. There is a single crankshaft. The next is X-type engine. This is your X-type engine. The X design is a variation of V-type. We have developed this design from V-type. It has 4 banks of cylinders attached to single crankshaft. So you can see 4 banks of cylinder attached to a single crankshaft. The next is Delta type. The Delta type is essentially a combination of 3 opposed cylinders. You can see here 3 opposed cylinders. These cylinders are opposite to each other and there are three crankshafts interlocked to one another. In general, automobile or general purpose engines utilize the inline and V-type configuration or arrangement. Mostly we use inline or V-type of configurations. The radial engine was used widely in medium large aircrafts. Now we don't use radial type of engines. Nowadays we use gas turbine. So this is the classification of cylinder by arrangements.